Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions bringing you a down and dirty, do-it-yourself assembly of IKEA TARVA Pine Nightstand. The instruction manual comes with a hardware part list, but the material is not numbered or listed. You have to go off of the pictures in the manual for placement. Inside the box, you get the manual, hardware parts, and the material. When assembling, you need to look over the pictures in the manual very carefully to get the right pieces in the proper place. Now it is time to start assembling. Locate the two boards and hardware listed in Diagram 1. Secure the two drawer slides to the boards with 2 wood screws for each slide. In Diagram 2, screw in the 3 cam screws into each board, keeping them straight up, not at an angle. In Diagram 3 and 4, insert 3 fluted wood dowels and connect the boards together. Once connected, add 1 cam connector to lock the boards into place. Diagram 5 and 6, insert 2 fluted wood dowels and connect the boards together. Once connected, add 2 cam connectors to lock the boards in place. Diagram 7 and 8, insert 5 wooded fluted dowels and 3 cam connectors. Place the sideboard on top, pressing down. Turn the cam connectors, locking the boards together. Diagram 9, screw in the 6 cam screws into the board, keeping them straight up, not at an angle. Diagram 10 and 11, insert 4 wooded fluted dowels and 6 cam connectors. Place the top board on and turn the cam connectors to lock it into place. Diagram 12, add 2 skirt boards to the bottom of the nightstand, attaching them with 6 long wood screws. Diagram 13, add 4 fluted wood dowels and press down over them the 2 additional skirt boards. Diagram 14 and 15, secure the 4 skirt boards with 4 leg mounting brackets and 4 wood screws. Diagram 16 and 17, attach the 4 legs using the mounting bracket hardware to the bottom of the nightstand inside the lower skirt boards. Diagram 18, use 2 long wood screws to secure the front and rear skirt boards to the nightstand. Diagram 19, 20, and 21, place the back panel within the grooves, smooth side facing out, and secure with ring shank finish nails all around the perimeter of the panel. Wow, that was a lot. Now we can assemble the drawer. Diagram 22, on the front board, screw in 4 cam screws and push in 4 fluted wooden dowels. This voided Diagram 23. Diagram 24 and 25. Add 4 cam connectors to the 2 side boards and then push them in place on the front board. Lock it into place by turning the cams. Diagrams 26, 27, and 28. Slide a panel in the groove with the smooth side on the inside of the drawer. Place the backboard over the panel flush to the inside sideboards. Hammer in the nylon pins to hold the boards together. Diagram 29. Place the drawer slide on each side of the drawer and screw them in with 2 wood screws, making sure that the screws are flush with the slide. We are now on the last diagram, Diagram 30. What we do now is we're going to take the drawer wooden knob and we're going to screw it onto the drawer. Now let's slide the drawer back into place. All done. Now you can stain, paint, seal, or just leave it as it is. This is such a simple project, I even had my young son put another one together. He did it all by himself without any problems. Ole ole! Another unboxing, build, and review done right. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.